custom Euro plate over here. We're gonna be installing it in America. This is a thing that we do here in America.
This is America.
We install the Euro plate because in North Carolina there's no plates in the front, so you can put anything you want. So we're gonna install this custom plate. Shout out to Ark, you can go check out his channel. I'll link him in the description below. So this came with double-sided tape, but this is pretty deep. And if you put this in, so let's see what the double-sided tape looks like. So these 3M, most of the time these are like cheap Chinese ones, and your plate's gonna fall off, or anybody could kick it and it'll fall off. So the hack we're gonna use is these tweezers right here. So this is the best way to do it. Do not buy the dollar store cheap ones, buy the nice Walmart ones or for Home Depot. So in this car here, this grill has this opening over here, so we're just gonna put the tweezers in and then pull it out like this. So let's go close. By the way, I am wearing the We the North shirt representing Canada, the Toronto Raptors.
A province, a country celebrate.
So alright, it's locked in, so we just want to check out the placement. This looks good. Now we're just gonna go on the side and just pull it. Yeah, pull. So it's kind of low hanging, so if you pull it tighter, it's gonna go like this. And there you go, that is how you install a custom Euro plate. I'll leave a link in the description where you can order yours. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.